Sige na.
Dali.
Sige.
Pakita ka.
Dapat
Pakita yung mga friendly.
Teka lang, this
Yung
is
mga
right?
friendly,
Ano?
pakita. Yung mga bobo hindi.
Ay, mga bobo dito sa gilid.
Dali. Dali, go, game. Game.
Ate, hindi ka nakikita mo.
Game. Di, tusok ka dito.
Dito ka ate, ano?
Nag-analyze talaga.
Hindi ko
Uy, yung may isipin para alam.
Ay, dali.
Tagapan nyo ah.
Oh, instruction mo daw.
This is right, this is right,
Ah,
and this is wrong.
okay.
So,
Again, this is right, and this is wrong. This is right.
gusto mo may
Dali, sige na.
This is right, this is
Right.
Right.
and this is
Wrong.
this is
Right.
and this is
Wrong.
this is
Right.
Memorize lang niya yung laman. Ala, dalawa na lang ang buko.
Yung memorize ko lang, pero hindi ko memorize.
Hindi ko talaga get.
this is right,
This is
Kami ang masabi.
This
and
is wrong.
this is
Come.
This is
Right.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
wrong.
Ano naging wrong?
Again. This is
Right.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
Wala, hindi ko talaga get. Ano meron? Hindi ko get. I swear, hindi ko get.
This is right. This is right. This is wrong. This is
No.
right.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano, this is right? This is right?
Wala sa movement ng kamay eh.
Wala sa
Wala sa movement.
Sa word.
Again.
Again.
And this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
and this is
Wrong. Uy, mga bobo.
Hindi ko naman nakikita yan.
Malapit na si Ian eh. Ian, kaya mo yan.
Hindi ko talaga get.
Sige, ulitin mo pa nga ate.
Talaga.
Pakinggan niyo yung word.
This,
Yung word.
Oo, yung word na
Ayun na, may
sinasabi
clue na
niya.
kayo.
May clue na kayo.
And this
99% na
is
yun.
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
Hindi ko get. Bobo talaga ako.
Isa pa, ate Sel.
Alam niyo, bobo talaga ako guys. Bobo talaga ako.
Isa na lang ang buko.
Wala na. Wala na get.
Ahap pa. Bobo.
Hindi ko ma-get.
Ulit, go.
Ulit.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
and this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
Wala talaga. Hindi ko talaga ma-get. Hindi ko nga talaga mag-get kung paano na ganyan.
Pakinggan mo yung word. Pakinggan mo
Yeah.
yung word.
Maiyak ka na, hindi ko talaga get. Promise, hindi ko talaga get. Hindi ko talaga get.
Easy.
Hindi ko talaga get.
Yung instruction.
Sa instruction, mag-focus sa instruction.
Sa instruction.
That's very wrong kasi nag-focus ako sa kamay niya kasi.
Ako din eh.
Nag-focus.
Game.
Ano ba ang instruction?
Sige, pakinggan mo siya.
Napapanas.
Hindi ko kasi get.
Pakinggan mo kasi siya.
This is right. This is right. And this is wrong. This is right. And this is wrong.
Paano naging wrong?
Yes, kaya mo yun.
Kaya mo yan, hindi ko talaga get.
Uy, nakalagay!
Itindihan mo yung words ulit. Yung sinasabi
mo,
mo.
bigyan ka ng ano.
There is difference between this is right and this is wrong.
Oo.
Ayun, ayun.
Ah, sige.
This is right. And this is wrong. And this is wrong. And this is wrong. And this is wrong. This is right.
Oo.
Ayun, ayun.
This is right.
Wala talaga.
Chris, gamitin mo lahat ng senses mo.
Hindi ko talaga get.
Patunayan mo matalino ka.
Parang same lang naman ang words.
Patunayan mo matalino ka, Chris.
Hindi ko talaga get.
Matalino ka,
This
Chris.
is ano kasi, this is
Oh, sagot
right.
kayo, sagot kayo.
This is right. And this is wrong. Huwag mong anuhin yung
Wag mo
kamay.
kasi yung kamay, yung
Yung
sinasabi.
word.
O sige, makinig na. Sagot kayo. Right.
Again.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
And this is
Wrong.
And this is
Wrong.
And this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
Gets ko na.
Sige, mag-question ka muna. Huwag ka siya. Nag-play ka na. Mag-play ka na.
Sige na. Again, again. This is
Ay, ulit. Nag-get ka na kanina eh. Nakikinig muna ako sa inyo.
Gets mo na.
Ulitin mo kasi mag-get ka lalo.
Oh, sige. This is
Right.
This is
Right.
And this is
Wrong.
And this is
Wrong.
And this is
Wrong.
And this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
And this is
Wrong.
And this is
Wrong.
And this is
Wrong.
This is
Right.
This is
Right.
Walang bobo sa pamilya ko.
Sige po na.
Ayun ang sagot.
Focus ako sa kamay.
Yung word kasi.
Focus ako sa kamay. Sa kamay ako
Sabi
focus.
niya, this is right.
This is and this
This
is.
is right. And this is wrong.
This and this
Kahit
and
sabi
this.
siya ng and this is wrong.
Pag N, wrong.
Wrong.
Pag this is lang, right.
Oo.
Alam na rin
Yan.
yan.